Welcome to Sigma Equipment. Today's equipment demonstration involves a Breddo LDT 150-gallon stainless steel non-jacketed liquefier. This machine has a 20 horsepower motor running on a 480-volt system. The motor is protected by a stainless steel cover that prevents any liquids from entering the motor bearings. It is recommended that the seal is replaced once it starts to wear to avoid damage to the motor. This machine is best tested with water. If the tank is tested dry, it could overheat and cause damage to the seal. This specific liquefier is non-jacketed. This means that the tank is a single wall with no temperature control. A jacketed tank allows a user to control the temperature of the product inside, whether it be hot or cold. Breddo liquefiers are classified by the amount of workable gallons they can hold. Workable gallons describe the amount of substance that allows the machine to function properly. There are 3 sanitary fittings on the top that allow different types of product to enter the machine at the same time. The sanitary discharge is located at the bottom with a quick release fitting. These machines can come in many different sizes, including smaller 50-gallon tanks, as well as upwards of 500 gallons. To learn more about this liquefier and other equipment, please visit us at sigmaequipment.com.